What's up guys? So I'm in here in the closet office today. Love it in here, and I just wanted to record a video for you guys about my top 3 office essentials. And these are going to be stuff that I use every day in the office, stuff that I think every at-home office should have. Using this, I got a new essential, I would say, not an office essential, but I got the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. There's a link in the description if you're curious at what that is. But I just got that, so I'm playing around with that, and I figured I'd record a video around my office essentials. So, this is the office. You can see there's some lighting down here. Yes, you can see there's lighting down there, cords, there's the iMac with the external monitor. Right there is the Blue Yeti. We got the webcam and the lighting set up, as well as back here we got all the books, the recording gear. Up there we got the Osmo Mobile and the Bose headphones. Also got another MacBook over here. So really all the office things that you might want, I have something of the sort in here. I've tried to get something of the sort so I know when I'm trying to help other people with it, what they should get. So my top 3 office essentials. And the first one is Chord Management. And Chord Management goes a couple different ways. So for me, Chord Management looks like, if you look at my desk, there are some cords over here. So I have my phone charger, but from the high level view, there's no cords visible really anywhere. Now if you come back here, it's not managed the greatest, but there's lots of cords. You can laugh at my sock creation right there, but there's really no cords visible from my point of view so that I don't get distracted from them at my desk. So that's number 1. So leading into Chord Management, another thing with cords are lighting. So I highly encourage desk lights, and there's also a link in the description for these, but if you can get these lights, they are LED strips, and they're like 8 feet long, and they are amazing. You can control it from your phone. There's an app on your phone, and I linked 2 of them up. So I have like one that I used to have like run on the back of the computer, and now I just have them like around the desk, but they are truly amazing. It helps set the mood if you're working in the dark, or if you don't have a window. They're great to just get some like different lighting, and you can control it. You can like set it on party mode if you really want to, or you can like have it slowly and easily oscillate between some different colors, or like me, I just like it on blue. So if I spin it around, you can just see there's like a blue tint to everything in here. So that's what that is. So that's the first one, is Chord Management. The second one for your remote office setup is a webcam. Now, I have 2 options for a webcam. So I have this one, I spent $50 on it, and it's a 1080p webcam. And it shoots the same as the other one that I got. The other one, so this one's $50. The other one that I just got is actually a birthday present from one of my favorite people, one of my mentors in the world, Rachel Bell. She just got it for me, but it's a Logitech Brio, so that's another example of a webcam you could get. But I highly so the MacBook Pro and the MacBook Air and the iMac, I believe they're all 720p is the highest resolution camera that they have, and that's like something typical with Macs that they just like don't have a great one. But if you just get like an adapter, so if you have a MacBook Pro, just get an adapter for like USB-C to USB, or just plug in the webcam straight to the back of your iMac. But that'll give you a lot better recording quality, and like when you do Zoom meetings, it'll be noticeable in those and other stuff like that. Like it'll pay to have that better webcam, because you'll be a little bit better, you'll be better presented, is what I'm trying to say. But so that's number 1, Chord Management, and number 2 is getting a webcam. The last thing that I highly recommend, depending on your case, is to get a 27-inch monitor of some sort. So I used to work on my 13-inch MacBook over here, and it's since had some issues, which is not the reason why I moved to the 27-inch, and now I have 2 27-inch screens. But I now have the 27-inch iMac, and the other one that I have is a HP Pavilion 27 XW. Highly recommend both of those. If you have a MacBook or just a laptop, get one of these stands and then run it to the external monitor with an HDMI cord. Or if you have an iMac, you can just use the iMac that's 27 inches. Or if that's a little bit out of your budget, that's okay. There's like 21.5 inches. I encourage just to go on my Facebook Marketplace and find a cheaper one, so you don't have to buy new. But it makes the world of a difference for like looking at a screen, not looking like down, like crunched up at a screen, but being able to look at a screen straight on, being able to have multiple browsers open, being able to like spread out your different projects. So those are my 3 recommendations for your home office setup: is those lights underneath, the 27-inch screen, whether you want to run an external display or just get an iMac and splurge on yourself. And then the last thing is, no matter really what computer you have, unless it has like a 1080p webcam, get the 1080p. I'm looking forward to looking at the Brio. I just got it as that gift as my birthday like 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago. But I'll let you guys know once I get that, and hopefully provide a video on that as well. But get like a 1080p webcam, get some Chord Management, because Chord Management is huge. Keeps your desk clean. You don't have to like look at stuff. Like, I only have one cord that I can see, and it's because it controls the ring light on the back of my computer. But I hope this was helpful. So all of those links are in the description if you want to go price shop on those. If you're curious about it, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. If you know anybody else with a home office, go share this video with them. Those are my 3 tips. It'll get you a very sleek, clean office. And yeah, those are my tips. So without further ado, go click the links in the description and have a great day.